Bars in Angeles City. Number 1. Midnight Rodeo. If you're looking for live music and bands, Midnight Rodeo is the place for you. Talented Filipino bands and musicians play non-stop from 8 p.m. to 2 in the morning. The music genres expand from country, reggae, oldies, alternative, pop, rock and roll, to much more. Number 2. Phillies Sports Grill and Bar. Open 24/7 for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an exceptional list of cuisines starting from Malaysian, Indian, Arabic, and Western. The food at Phillies is just amazing. With a spacious open seating area, the bar broadcasts live sports on big screens and hosts live bands at night. The bar is ideal if you want to relax and grab a beer or two with your family and friends. Number 3. Rob's Gastropub and Sports. This nicely furnished establishment is Pampanga's famous gastropub, serving chilled beers, cocktails, delicious multi-cuisine food, and loads of entertainment. Along with a large LED screen to watch live sports, the pub also especially hosts a large game room with casino arcades, billiards, poker, beer pong, and a pool table. Number 4. Keg and Brew Gastropub. Keg and Brew Gastropub is the best place to wind down after a tiring day. With a cozy and friendly vibe, Keg is a nice place to unwind and drink beer on the rooftop under the moonlight. With beautiful interiors and comfortable seatings, the drinks and food are both delicious and affordable. Number 5. Centauro Bistro and Bar. Situated on the jam-packed walking street, Centauro Bistro and Bar is perfect for some late-night food and drinks. The dazzling stage at the center of the venue is filled with dancers and entertainers vibing to loud and bop music. With friendly and interactive staff, everything on the menu is quite affordable.